Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset AI plus phone. Okay, to perform a hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off. As you can see, power off, your phone will shut down. Now tap on OK. Okay, now it is successfully shut down. Now press and hold the power and volume up button together for few seconds, and when the AI logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button, and you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm, and as you can see data wipe complete. You can see data wipe is successfully complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard set AI plus phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.